Logos, equal housing opportunity. The international symbol of access, Santa Rosa Luxury Apartment Homes. The apartment homes in Phoenix, Arizona, have an outdoor pool lined with tall palm trees. The beige and tan apartment buildings have red clay-style roofs. Water flows down a rock fountain outside the office entrance. The office has a reception desk, modern lighting, a coffee bar, dining tables, a fitness center with a variety of exercise equipment, a game room with a pool table and cushioned seating, a wall-mounted TV screen, and ceiling fans. The front door of an apartment unit opens to an entryway and hallway that leads to the living room and kitchen. The unit has medium brown wood-style floors and light tan-colored walls. The open floor plan connects the living room and kitchen. The kitchen has modern appliances and blonde wood-style cabinetry. There is beige carpet in a bedroom with a ceiling fan and window. A bathroom has a sink vanity, large wall mirror, toilet, and shower tub combination. A side-by-side washer and dryer sit in a room with a door and window. Another bedroom has beige carpet, a ceiling fan, and a window. The bedroom has an ensuite bathroom with sink vanity, large wall mirror, toilet, and shower tub combination. A sliding glass door leads to a covered balcony. A walk-in closet has shelves and hanging rods. The rooms of another unit are featured with a similar floor plan. There is a green grass courtyard between the apartment buildings and sidewalks in front of each building. An outdoor space provides a barbecue grill. The pool patio is lined with bright blue chaise lounge chairs. There are bright blue cushioned sofas, chairs, and tables with umbrellas. A hot tub is surrounded by foliage behind the pool's water fountain. A pool planter is full of colorful flowers. The apartments are located near a mountain range in an area with similar buildings. Water flows down a rock fountain. The pool has an outdoor shower. The Santa Rosa Luxury Apartment Homes sign has a green palm leaf logo.